Northern youth have petitioned all the whole senators, House of Representatives in the north. These protests have been going to another level inside the north as we dey talk. This is when people rise up and say no to their oppressors, which is their leaders. No be small thing, no. Most of Nigerians have stand up to condemn the Igbo must go agitation by some Yorubas in the west. A lot of things are going on as we dey talk right now. My wonderful people say this, the north don't come outside explain the reason why they are asking for help from Russia, and Tinubu quickly reply you come tell them say that Russia don't give a fuck of anything where Russia they think or they talk. My brother, he don't ready for this country as he be like this now. I dey on that plantain tree. Because when he start na also I go carry on, they call him also Benjo. I'll carry Benjo immediately. However, let us go and look into what they happened today as we dey talk. They say that the Northerners have petitioned their leaders. I want you to watch this video from this our sister, and also make sure say they share them as you they watch. My people, please don't forget say you see there for Balabas G's. Watch the video.
Guys, Northerners has taken this protest into another level, like into a new latest level. Did you hear what happened on day 8 in Northern today? Today is the day 8, right? Did you see what happened? Northern protesters has moved to in fact has petitioned all the inactive senators and House of Reps. Today being 8, their main protest is to remove all the senators that is not working in their state, all the House of Representatives where they represent them that is not working in their state. They have petitioned INEC with thousands of petitions. So according to them, they say that as they protest for hunger and bad governance, they also petition all their inactive senators and House of Reps who are not representing them well. Say that if they are actually representing them well, they would know there won't be any reason why they will be on the street today. They would have present the issue and what they are going through in their state to the House of Senate. In fact, that the presidency, that the Nigeria would have known that there is a real hunger in the state or in the land. Honestly, this is a great move. I really love this move by Northern my Northern brothers and sisters. This is if actually they will achieve this, honestly, do you know it will spread to other parts of Nigeria? Because we have senators that don't even know their work. A lot of us don't. In fact, there's some people that don't even know that some monies are being allocated for their senators, for them. There are some communities that don't know that there's the money paid to the senators to take care of them. There are some people that don't know that there is a huge money paid to the House of Reps representing them and their consistency for them. In fact, they don't know. And some of the senators and House of Reps don't know that the money paid to them for their consistency is for their people. I think they think the money paid to them for their consistency is for their pocket, for their family, and for their friends. None of them, ever since I never see, especially in Southeast, where a senator, a House of Reps is doing something for their consistency. And honestly, I'm happy for this great move, because I know that if they succeed and achieve this move, it will spread to other parts of Nigeria, because we have some deadly inactive senators and House of Reps in every state and consistency.
I want you to watch this video as well and hear the reason why the Northerners are carrying Russia flag. I'm going to show you a first video when they are matching their own flag and raising the Russian flag, and the reason why we make them they carry this particular flag. And I also play you a video, may you hear waiting Tinubu reply. Just stay tuned and watch the video.
Kakku da mu da sojojin da za su zo a kai ne suke harbi ba matsala ai.
People are dying because of hungry. Let President talk and remove this whole subsidy. We are looking for help from Russia.
Russia is communist. The West and the IMF, they are capitalists. They are actually exploiting our resources. Our leaders have been their puppets, and we cannot take it anymore.
I don't care what Russia will say. I want to compete.
My people, I know they there. Me, I know even they there when talk am. I no hear am o. No talk say na me na for Balabaji see hear am. He say he want to compete. He don red. He don finally red for inside Nigeria. Okay, do you know that the same flag are flying by the police in the north? Just watch the video.
See police with Russia Twitter, Russia black. Yeah, Allah.
Maybe there is something we don't actually know that is going on in the north, but you don't see am. So let me play this video and hear the message where this our brother sent to Yorubas and some Nigerians who always point finger at the Igbos.
So how far? You get which I want talk again. So when I listen to me, when I hear me. So now I know say all of us know the reason why Igbo talk say they don't go follow or join this protest. All of us know. Based on what they do them during that election for Lagos, all of us know. Now why me I no go ever blame Igbo for saying that? Say they no go join, I no go ever blame them. Okay, meanwhile, we can't try our best to convince them. Okay, some Igbo come later come they fall in love with us. Say okay, may they join us. We don't they happy. We don't they happy. Because like this, if now say if we want win this our government, if we want win them, all of us must we must unite. Okay, we're gonna try bring Igbo people in be that. Some don't they join us, they don't they join us. When say me say I don't they happy. I don't even like those people when say they try join themselves. Now one useless one guy, one idiot, where God go punish for that place where he did. He go drop one mumu comment for Twitter. Say they won't pursue Igbo people come up for Lagos. You won't pursue Igbo come up for Lagos. Wait, now your papa get Lagos. Now your papa now get Lagos. Which I'm saying won't come up, won't pursue. All of us are we not Nigerians? Lagos is not part of Nigerians. What did they talk? I be your own people where be Yoruba say they know they east, they know they north, they know they east, they know they Igbo land, they know food here. Now your papa get Lagos. And all of us get Lagos, don't they want yourself? You dey hear? And beside, you where they talk say you want pursue Igbo, come up for the, you know say this thing I they talk and they say I want pursue Igbo, when I want pursue Igbo. I need to make una pursue Igbo, you go affect. You where they talk now say you want pursue Igbo. You which job opportunity, which business where you get, which job opportunity where you get, where you create for masses, which job? You create any job? Mr. Tinubu, which job where they create for people? Which job our governors who create for the masses? Senator, which job where they create? No. But Igbo people come all the way from their east, enter Lagos. They don't do business. Very successful business. Their business, they move well. They go, they employ people. They employ masses, poor people like us. So we say, we don't want chief. Now we won't work. Then they employ people like me. Then they work for them, they pay them. Now you walk on game and say, what pursue Igbo? And like anything we make it pursue Igbo. We say, tutu, na come pursue all the whole Igbo. Come on for Lagos. I say, una go here. Because person we don't want chief before, he go start to the chief. And your shop, they go come, they go loot your shop, they go break your shop, they go give you blow for eye. They go thief your market. Because when they say work no day again. Because now Igbo, out of 100%, now Igbo, now they be 90%. People where they do business, successful business for Lagos here, now they food their pass, and now they get employee. She na employer, I don't know, you know concern me. But now they get people where they work for them, they get staff where Yoruba dey there, Igbo say dey there, their staff, they employ people, they pay them. Meanwhile, they give job opportunity to the masses. They give job opportunity to the masses. I be skit guy, I know which they see for skit. Me and one of my guy like that. We won't work for one company like that. The company na Glosmin. He did that on your side. Now that the company did, now that side the company did. The first time we went enter, the guy said, "I no go fit work company well. He won't go they do all this business shopping this thing." He go meet one madam like that. Now Igbo, for there he learn the thing. Now he don't run your own business on your own. small change no dey enter you on its own. Wetin I dey talk? Say na one pursue Igbo. All this tribalism, me I no go stop am. And I swear this country no go ever move forward. Wallahi. I mean dey tell una. If you na pursue Igbo comot for Lagos, criminal go full Lagos pass this one wey dey.
Yeah, my wonderful people, na so we see am o, and I will say we bring am come give una as e dey read. Abeg share this video for more update. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as you dey watch, please. And also only help wey you fit help us na to make sure say you dey like, dey comment, dey share our videos. Thank you so much for watching.